Hi guys, in this video we talk about Red Magic 9 Pro versus Vivo X100 Pro. The ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $750. The Vivo X100 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $799. The body dimension, the Red Magic 9 Pro comes with height 6.46 inches, width 3.01 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Vivo X100 Pro dimensions, height 6.46 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight of these devices, the Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 229 gram and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 221 gram, and the both device come with front and back glass and aluminium frame. It's come with dual SIM nano SIM cards ported. The display type of these devices, the Red Magic 9 Pro comes with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type and the Vivo X100 Pro LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 6.8 inches and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 6.78 inches. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 1.5K screen resolution and the Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 1116 by 2480 pixels resolution, and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 453 ppi density. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 400 ppi density, and the both device come with 120Hz refresh rate. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 89.8% screen to body ratio. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 89.1% screen to body ratio, and the Red Magic 9 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass protection. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 1600 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel micro. And it's record 8K 30 fps video. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with this optic. And it records 8K 30 fps video. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 16 megapixel under display selfie camera with 1080p video record, and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera and it records 4K 30 fps video. The platform of these devices, the both devices come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with MediaTek 9300 4nm chipset. ZTE Red Magic 9 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with Adreno 750 and the Vivo X100 Pro Motorola G720 GPU. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with Android 14, Red Magic OS 9, and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with Android 14, Fun Touch 14 operating system. The Vivo X100 Pro and the Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the internal storage. The both devices come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both devices. Let's go to the battery setup. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 6500 mAh battery and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery, and the Red Magic 9 Pro comes with 165 watt fast charging. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 100 watt fast charging. The Vivo X100 Pro supported 50 watt wireless charging, and the both devices come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, but Red Magic 9 Pro have built-in cooling fan. The result of these devices, the Vivo X100 Pro got 23 points and the Red Magic 9 Pro got 20 points.
Bye.